I'm Katie, and I wanted to show you a few of the things that I've been making for Valentine's Day, and then talk about some of the other upcoming stuff that I'm gonna have. But I think I'm most excited about these little hearts right here. They're little needle felted hearts, little puffy hearts. And I've got these in a little bowl right here. Actually, let me dump them out and show you the bowl. See the little heart bowl? So it's a little felted red, pink, and white little heart bowl. And right now I've got it full of little felt hearts. But I'm going to be adding that on my Etsy store soon. That you can get to it by going to thefeltingfool.com. But I've also got these purses here, these nice crossbody purses with these long chains. They're great for around you like that, secure. And there's plenty, actually this one's got a coin purse in there too. There's lots of room in these. And I also made these coin purses, these big ones like this, and then also I made these small little guys, miniature ones on keychains. And actually this one isn't adorned yet, but I have some charms in a few packages I'm going to be opening on Sunday. I'm doing a video where I'll be opening those packages, unboxing my new art supplies and charms and stuff that I'll be decorating this with. I've got one here that's already got charms on it. Super cute little thing there. Little key and a star. Actually, this star says, "Just for you." So that's kind of cute. And then I'm doing these little little pouches. I haven't finished this one yet, but I just made this one last night. It's still drying. But they're little wallet pouches, and this one's going to be adorned with this little clasp right there. I'm going to put a magnetic clasp on that one. I've got a few pink hats. This is for a ladies small. It's a, so I can't try it on for you right now because I'd stretch it out. But it's squarish, squared off at the top. And then sort of cuffed up in the front. But it's just a gorgeous style of a nice wool felt hat. And then I haven't made them yet, but for Christmas, I made these little pouches for Santa and Elf little bags. So I'm going to be doing some of these in reds and pinks and whites for little Valentine's bags, little treat bags. So that's going to be fun. So that's what I have. And if you want to check out anything that I've made or shown you here, just go to thefeltingfool.com. Thanks. Bye.